Hey there! Today, I am going to explain how you can block GIFs and stickers in Google Slides and drawings, preventing students from getting distracted during a presentation. GIFs and stickers are undeniably fun and visually appealing, but they can seriously derail attention during presentations, impacting productivity. We've all been there, right? The audience is laughing at a GIF while some student is trying to share crucial information. As more organizations turn to Google Slides for collaboration and presentations, it's essential to maintain a focused environment. That's where xFanatical Safe Dock comes in. By configuring the block GIFs and stickers policy, you can create a distraction-free zone in your presentations. Imagine a space where your audience is fully engaged and not tempted to click on a silly sticker. Setting this up is super simple. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Dock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by setting up the Safe Dock policy block GIFs and stickers, you can block GIFs and stickers in Google Slides and drawings easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.